Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Vijay Girturi, and in this video, I am going to show you how to provision EC2 instance and security groups using Terraform. So here, Terraform is nothing but Terraform is an open source infrastructure as a code tool which is developed by HaschiCorp. It is also written in HCL, HaschiCorp Configuration Language, guys. And the main goal of Terraform, it is used to create infra in AWS Cloud or Microsoft Azure or Google Cloud platform. It is used to create infrastructure. At that point of time, we use Terraform, guys. And before starting this video, we need to perform few things, guys. First, we need to have any of the code editor in our local machine. So you can see here I'm using this VS Code. And the second thing is you need to install Terraform in your local machine, guys. So to check the Terraform version, directly go to command prompt and search here Terraform version. You can see this is the Terraform version which I am using, guys. And the third step is you need to create IAM user access keys and secret keys, and you need to give it to our local machine. Let's go to IAM, and you need to go to users, and you need to go to Vijay Girturi user, and under user you need to go to security credentials, and under security credentials you need to select create access keys. You need to see here access keys, and you need to select create access keys, and you need to select CLI command line interface, and you need to check mark this and next and create access keys. And this is the access key and this is the secret access key, guys. Let's copy access key and come to command prompt, and here search for AWS configure and paste here public, that means access key, and enter. You need to paste here secret access key. You can see this is the secret access key, guys. Let's copy this, come here and let's paste it here and enter. And you can see it was asking region here. It is nothing but in which region we want to create infra. It was asking like, and I want to create my infra in Mumbai AP South 1, so I will give AP South 1, guys. Here directly come here and give AP South 1, enter. And let's list buckets, guys. AWS S3 LS. Right now we don't have any buckets, so to test this I am doing this, guys. And let's close this and let's go to EC2, and I want to show you instance, guys. Right now we don't have any instance, you can see, guys. Let's go to Mumbai region, guys. I want to create infra in AP South 1. So you can see we have two EC2 instance, but it is in terminated state, guys. Let's create EC2 instance and let's create security groups. Let's go to security groups. You can see here, guys. You can see here we have only the default security groups. You can see this is the default security group. And let's create security groups and EC2 instance, guys. And for this, first we need to create a file in our VS Code path, and I will create that. In the name of the folder, I'm giving like Terraform, and directly I will go to my VS Code. You can see this is my VS Code and file, open folder, desktop projects with Terraform. And this is the folder, guys. And when we are working with Terraform, we need to give provider information, guys. First, let's create a file with provider.tf. Again, guys, I want to tell you when you are working with Terraform, the you want to give extension with .tf, guys. Terraform extension is .tf, and let's go to Chrome to get the provider information. You need to select here Terraform AWS provider resource. You need to select like this, and you need to go to this first link, guys, and it will display the provider information here, guys. And you can see this is the provider information. Copy up to here, guys. Copy this, come to VS Code and paste it here, guys. So you can see here the provider is AWS, and this is the region in which region I want to create infra. So if you want to create infra in US East 1, you can directly keep here US East 1. So I want to create infra in AP South 1, so I am changing here AP South 1. In this region I want to create infra, guys, and I will execute this file. Run add to file, and I will hit plus, and you can see this is the file, guys. First I will initialize this. The initial Terraform command is Terraform init, guys. Then let's do Terraform init. So it will install all the backend plugins, guys, and it will install and it will create here Terraform log.hcl file, guys, and I will show you that. and it takes nearly 30 seconds guys to initialize this. And you can see guys, Terraform init has been completed. And now to create any resources like EC2 instance or security groups or S3 buckets or whatever you want, you need to create a new file guys. So here I'm going to create EC2.tf. So in this file, I will create security groups and EC2 instance guys. So to get this code, directly go to Terraform official documentations, search for Terraform AWS EC2 resource. You need to select like this guys, and you need to go to this first link, and you can see guys here, and you can see here this is the resource information to create EC2 instance guys. Copy up to here, copy this, copy, come to VS Code, and let's paste it here guys. And I will explain this guys. Here the resource which we are creating is AWS instance, and this is the tag name, web is the tag name, and here we need to replace our AMI ID. Let's replace this guys. You need to go to EC2. To get AMI code, you need to directly go to AMI catalogs, guys. Directly go to AMI catalogs. And if you want to create Amazon Linux, you can directly select this Amazon Linux. And if you want to create Amazon Linux 2, this is the AMI. And if you want to create Red Hat Linux, you need to select this. And if you want to create CISO, you can directly select this. And if you want to create Ubuntu, you can directly select this. And in this video, I'm going to create Ubuntu instance, and after I will create another video guys. In another video I'm going to create VPC subnets and internet gateways, route tables, and EC2 instance. In that video I'm going with I will try to create with Amazon Linux guys. And now let's go with Ubuntu. I will copy this. I'll copy up to here, and you need to go to VS Code, and you need to give double quotations, and under double quotations you need to give this AMI ID guys. Same like this you need to give, and this is the instance type guys. And I'm going with T2 micro. Yes guys, and I will show you something guys. Let's go to instance. Let's go with the launch instance. I will not create the instance guys, but I will show you the steps. While we're creating instance, we need to give the name of the instance guys. And you can see here tags. This is the name of the instance. Hello world. Let's go with this hello world. This is the name of the instance. And after that, we need to give AMI ID. So in this, you can see Amazon Linux, Mac OS, or Ubuntu, Windows. We need to select according to our needs. So in this case, we are going with Ubuntu. That's why here I am given Ubuntu AMI guys. This is the Ubuntu AMI. And the third step is we need to select the instance type guys. You can see here instance type. Instance type I am going with the free tier eligibility T2 micro. You can see here guys T2 micro. This is the free tier eligibility. And the fourth step is key pair guys. It is the login credentials for our EC2 instance guys. And let's create a key pair guys. We need to go to here, and let's give key name. Yes, you can see here key name. Key name is equal to, we need to give the key name guys here. Let's do one thing. We need to create key pair guys first. You need to give in double quotations, and you need to create key pair guys. And let's go to here key pairs. You need to go to key pairs here, and you need to create a key pair here guys. And create key pair, and the name of the key pair I'm giving Vijay, and I'm going with the .pem. And you can directly create a key pair guys, and it was downloaded to my local machine. You can see I will go to my local and downloads, and you can see vijay.pem. This is my key pair, and I will copy this key pair guys. Directly copy this and come to VS Code and paste it here guys Vijay. You need to do same like this guys. And up to now this is enough guys. Now let's do one thing guys. Let's create security groups, and let's attach that security groups to this EC2 instance. And to create security groups, and directly go for Terraform official documentations and remove this. And here we can directly search for Terraform AWS security group resource. You need to select like this, and you need to go to this first link guys. So when you go to here instances, I will show you guys. When you create instance, Once I will show you again. Launch instance. And you can see up to key pair we have given the data. Here you can see up to key pair we have given the data. In this video, we are not going to create VPC or subnets or everything. In next video, I will create VPC and subnets and everything, and I will attach this to EC2 instance, guys, our custom EC2 instance and everything. And here you can see we need to create security groups, guys. And let's create security groups using Terraform. This is the code, guys. You can see. Yes, you need to copy this, guys. You need to copy up to here and come to VS Code and paste it here, guys. And here you can see the resource which we are creating is AWS security groups. And this is the tag name, guys. Let's rename this. I'm giving demo SG, demo security groups. And here we need to give the name. I'm giving the name like security groups using Terraform. I'm giving this like, guys, and I'll remove this up to here and I'll copy this and I'll paste it here, guys. And you can see this is the name of our security groups, guys. And we need to give the VPC ID. Right now we are not creating the VPC ID, guys. So let's give the default VPC ID, guys. Here we need to give in double quotations. Directly go to AWS and here go to VPC, guys. Select VPC and this is the default VPC which I'm using, guys. Go here and copy this, guys. This is the VPC ID, guys. I will copy this and I'll come here and I'll paste it here, guys. This is the VPC ID. I'm going with the default VPC, guys. And now, and I'll show you another thing. You need to go to security groups, create security groups. So guys, when we create a security groups, it will ask security group name. You can see here, we are given security group name, security groups using Terraform. It will ask description, guys. You can see description. And here I have given the description like security groups using Terraform. And after it will ask VPC. Under which VPC you need to create this security groups. It will ask like that. This is the secure VPC ID. I have given the default VPC ID. Under this VPC ID, we need to create security groups. And this is the tag name. I will change the tag name to Terraform underscore SG. I am giving this name, guys. And after we need to give inbound and outbound roles, guys. And here you can see inbound and outbound. In Terraform we called it as ingress and egress, guys. And you can come here and you can directly see here ingress and egress, guys. That means inbound and outbound. It is ingress. And you can directly copy this, guys. Copy up to here, guys. Control C and come to VS Code. And you need to paste in between this, guys. And we need to give here ingress. And I'm giving description. This is optional, guys. You can give or you may not give. This is an optional. So I'm giving this. And I'm giving here HTTPD or HTTPS, guys. And from port I'm giving 443. This is the HTTPS port number, guys, 443. And to port also I'm giving 443. And the protocol I'm taking TCP, transmission control protocol, guys. And I will copy this again up to here. And I'll paste it here, guys. And again I will paste it here. So I'm going to create a three inbound and outbound rules, guys. So this is HTTPS and I'm going to create HTTP. At last I will remove S and I'm giving here 80. The default port number of HTTP is 80, guys. So I'm giving 80. So here also I'm giving 80 and this is TCP, okay. And another ingress rule I'm giving SSH, guys. SSH and here I'm giving 22. To port also 22. And we need to give egress, guys. And let's give space and let's go here and copy this egress guys. This is the outbound rule. Control C and come here and paste it here guys directly. And I'll explain you this security group guys. You can see the resource which you are taking is AWS security groups, and this is the tag name guys. And the name of this I'm giving security groups using Terraform. This is the description, and this is the default VPC ID guys. There, and this is ingress is nothing but in Terraform we call, in AWS we call it as inbound. In Terraform we call it as ingress guys. This is mean in inbound rules. And here I am taking from port means 443, and this is the port number of HTTP, and two port also 443, and the protocol which I am taking is TCP transmission control protocol. And you can see here guys, CIDR blocks. Here you can see 0.0.0.0/0 means CIDR block from anywhere, from anyone can access guys, and IPv6 from anywhere. And same like this guys, here I'm taking from port 80 to port 80, this is HTTP, and I'm taking SSH guys, and this is SSH, and this is the egress means outbound rules guys. And let's do one thing guys. First I'll create this guys. You can see we have created EC2 instance and security groups guys, but we are not associated this security group to this EC2 instance. First let's create EC2 instance, and after that let's associate this security group to this EC2 instance guys. I will show you the errors also. First let's do Terraform plan. First let's do Terraform validate guys. Terraform validate. So it will show you the code, it is good or not. You can see success, the configuration is valid. And let's do Terraform FMT. So it will keep the code in proper format. And Terraform plan. So it will show the resource information which we are going to create guys. You can see plan 2 to add. Here 2 is nothing but you can see these are the security groups. And you can see here. So it will create EC2 instance and security groups guys. And directly we can apply. Terraform apply. So it will create infra guys. Once I will show you one thing guys. Let's go to security groups. And when I reload this, you can see we have only the default security groups. So when I go to EC2, you can see here we don't have any EC2 instance guys. And let's execute this guys. Let's give here yes. So it will create EC2 instance and security groups guys. And you can see it was creating. EC2 instance has been creating guys. 10 seconds has been completed. You can see here 20 seconds has been completed guys. And let's go here and let's reload this. And you can see it is in running state. When we come here, you can see it is created in just 32 seconds guys. And when I come here and when I reload this is the security EC2 instance. And you can see this is the security group guys. This is TF-SG. When I come here, you can see here the name TF-SG. This is the security group guys. And let's see the inbound rules. Directly go to inbound. And you can see guys, these are all the inbound rules. You can see here SSH, HTTPS, SSH, HTTP, HTTPS, and you can see the port numbers 22, 443, 2280. And these are the inbound and outbound rules, guys. And now let's try to connect our EC2 instance. When I select this, you can see this is the public IP, and let's try to connect. You can see guys, it was throwing an error, failed to connect to your instance, because we created security groups guys. You can see here we created security groups using SSH and using HTTP and using HTTPS, but we are not associated this security group to this EC2 instance guys, but that's why it was throwing an error. Now let's do one thing guys. Let's associate this security groups. Meanwhile, let's do one thing, guys, and I want to show you something. And right now we have only, when we go to instance, we have only one EC2 instance, guys. You can see here we have one EC2 instance. Then let's take a small assumption, guys. If you need three EC2 instance at a time, guys, and to create like that, you can directly give here count, guys. You can give directly here count equal to I will give 3, guys, and you can give directly like this, guys. I am giving count is equal to 3. So it will create another 2 EC2 instance, guys. Let's do Terraform plan. So it will going to show you the resource information which we are going to create. You can see plan 2 to add, and let's do Terraform apply hyphen hyphen auto hyphen approve. So it will not ask permission, guys. It will directly create, and you can see 2 instance has been creating, guys. Let's directly come here and let's reload this. You can see another 2 instance is in creating state, guys. You can see these are the 2 EC2 instance. Let's wait for some time, guys. When I come here, you can see it is still in creating state. And you can see, guys, instance is created within 53 seconds. So let's go here. Let's reload this. And you can see the 3 instances are in running state, guys. And now let's do one thing, guys. And let's remove this count. And I told here how to create 3 EC2 instance in a single time. And I will remove this. And I will apply this again. And you can see, guys, 2 instance. Now it was destroying. Let's come here and let's reload this. And you can see it is in destroying state, guys. And meanwhile, let's do one thing, guys. Let's go here and let's attach this security groups. And I will show you. Let's attach this security group to this EC2 instance, guys. And to attach the security groups, you can directly give here security groups is equal to, you need to give in list format, guys. Copy this. You need to give security groups resource name and tag name, guys. Copy this and come here and paste it here, guys. And in between, remove this double quotations and keep dot, guys. AWS security groups dot demo security group dot id. We need to give same like this, guys. And let's do one another thing, guys. Let's create user data, guys. And to create user data, I'm giving here script.sh. And I'm creating new file, guys, with script.sh. And I will directly go to Chrome here and I will search for Terraform AWS EC2 user data resource. You need to select like this, guys. And you need to go to this file, guys, official Terraform documentations. Need to go to here. And you can directly copy this, guys. And I will explain you this, guys. First, I will copy this and I will come to my VS Code and I will paste it here, guys. And I want to change this, guys. And I want to change this to Hello Vijay Giduturi. I'm changing to Hello Vijay Giduturi, guys. And let's come to EC2. And here I want to give user data is equal to, I'm giving in, we need to give file. And here we need to mention this, guys. Under quotations, we need to mention script.sh file. You can see this is the script.sh file. And I will explain this file, guys. You can see here sudo apt update. So when we are working with Ubuntu instance, we need to give apt, guys. When we are working with Amazon Linux, we need to give yum, guys. Sudo yum update. So here I am working with Ubuntu, so I am giving sudo apt update. And here you can see sudo apt install Apache 2 -y. So it will install Apache 2 web server, and it will start the web server by using sudo systemctl start Apache 2. So it will start Apache 2, guys. And here you can see systemctl enable Apache 2. So it will enable, guys. And you can see echo hello Vijay Giduturi. So it will copy this path to where www hd index.html path, guys. It will copy this hello Vijay Giduturi to this file, and it will expose to the outside of the world, guys. And I will show you that. And here you can see I have mentioned here user data. When we create user data, uh, when you create, I will show you one thing, guys. Let's go to here Chrome and instances, and let's do launch instance. And at last, you can see when you go to advanced details, here you can see user data. Here user data acts like if you want to create each and everything before creating EC2 instance, we can copy the data here and we can automate that after creating guys EC2 instance, and I will show you that. Let's go to instances, and you can see right now we have only one EC2 instance. And let's come here, and we can see we have attached these security groups here, and this is the user data which have been attached. And let's run this guys. Terraform plan, and it was refreshing and we are seeing everything. And let's do Terraform apply hyphen auto hyphen approve. So it will create resources guys, and let's see. You can see our old instance now it was destroying. When I reload this, you can see here it is in destroying state guys, it is in shutdowning state. It will destroy this, and after this it will create EC2 instance, and it will attach these security groups to this EC2 instance guys. And let's see, let's wait for some time. You can see still it is in destroying state. Let's reload this. You can see it is terminated, and you can see guys it was throwing an error. Create EC2 instance invalid parameters value. For parameters, group ID is invalid. The value cannot be empty. Group ID. I think this is the security groups. And let's go to Terraform official documentations, guys. Let's search for Terraform security group resource. And here I will search security group. Mm, Let's do one thing, guys. Let's go to our VS Code and let's remove this. And let's give. You need to give VPC security group IDs, and you need to give in list format. And let's try like this, guys. Let's copy up to here, and I'll paste it here. And meanwhile, I will remove the double quotations. AWS security group dot demo security group dot ID. You need to give same like this, guys. And now let's try to create. Everything is okay. And now let's try to create, guys. Terraform apply hyphen auto hyphen approve. And you can see, guys, now instance has been creating. Let's go to instances. Now let's reload this. And you can see here, guys, instance is in pending state. Now instance has been creating. You can directly give here AWS VPC security group underscore IDs, guys. Give like this, and it will create, guys. And you can see 20 seconds has been completed. And let's come to here and let's reload this. And you can see our instance is in running state. And let's go to here, guys, and you can see our instance is just created in 32 seconds, guys. Let's come here. Let's go to security groups, and you can see this is the security group. And let's go to instance, and you need to select this instance, guys. And under security, you can see our custom security group has been attached to this EC2 instance, guys. You can see security groups using Terraform. When you come here and you can see security groups using Terraform, this security group has been attached to this EC2 instance. And let's come here and let's go to security groups. You can see these are all the inbound and outbound rules which have been given, and I will show you that also. You can see these are all the inbound, that means ingress and egress, guys, inbound and outbound rules. And let's come here and let's try to access our instance using, we have given user data guys. It will install HTTP and it will start HTTPD and it will display message like hello Vijay Gidturi. Let's copy this. Let's come here. Let's paste it here. And I think we need to wait for some time guys. And you can see it was reloaded. Hello Vijay Gidturi. You can see this is the message. Hello Vijay Gidturi. And this is how user data works guys. And let's go here. And let's try to connect using SSH connections guys. Before when we connected, it throws an error. And now let's try to connect. We need to select this and directly connect. And here you need to connect. And let's update this guys. Sudo apt update -y. And you can see it was updating. Sudo -i. And let's install Docker. Sudo apt install docker.io. And we need to give y. And you can see it is going to install Docker guys. And I will show you the Docker version. And you can see our instance also working guys. And it is displayed message like hello Vijay Gidturi using user data guys. And let's go here. Let's see the version of Docker. And you can see this is the Docker version 24.0.5. And this is how we created EC2 instance and we created security groups and we attached security groups to this EC2 instance and using user data we have deployed this using a hello Vijay Gidturi message. And let's try to connect using key pair guys. We have given key pair also. When you come here and you can see we have given key name also. Let's try to connect using key pair guys and directly come to our log. Sorry, directly come to instances and copy the public IP and directly come to MoboXterm. I'm using here MoboXterm guys. You can use whatever you want. You need to go to sessions, SSH, and here you need to paste the public IP. And here I'm giving Ubuntu. And we need to give the path of our key pair guys. And vijay.pm, this is the key name. Okay. Sudo apt update -y. And you can see guys, it is also working. You can see each and everything. And yes guys, I will show you the code again. In this video, we have created EC2 instance and security groups, and we have given key name and using security groups, we have attached the security group to this EC2 instance, and we have created user data. And at last, let's do one thing, guys. Let's create S3 bucket also. This is the last thing. Approximately, video has been completed 33 minutes, guys. That's why. At last, let's create a S3 bucket Terraform AWS S3. Sorry, AWS S3 bucket resource. You need to search like this, guys. You need to go to this first link and you need to copy this, guys. Directly copy this and come here and paste it here. And let's remove up to here. And here I am giving my Terraform bucket. Sorry, I am giving the name like my S3 bucket for Terraform. And I will execute this, guys. Terraform apply hyphen auto hyphen approve. Sorry, I want to show you something. Let's go here and let's search for S3. We don't have, before we don't have any S3 buckets, guys. And you can see it was created and the name like my S3 bucket for Terraform. So when I come here, you can see it was created in just 2 seconds, guys. And this is really amazing. Let's come here and you can see here it was created on March 7th, 2024 at time of 20. That means it was created in 8:43 p.m. guys. And this is how you can create S3 bucket, guys. And let's go here. And this is all the code. And let's uh, We have created all this using Terraform official documentations, guys. And I will show you something and directly go to ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT, and here you can search for if you want to create EC2 instance and security groups and everything. Here directly ask ChatGPT for Terraform AWS EC2 Terraform AWS code for EC2 instance security groups S3 bucket. When you search like this, guys, it will show you the resource information. You can see it was providing each and everything. Provider, AWS, and region. This is the region, and you can see this is the security groups, and these are all the inbound and outbound rules. You can see ingress and egress, and this is the EC2 user. That means EC2 resource. That means it is used to create EC2 instance, and this is the code to create S3 bucket, guys. Here you can see by using the Terraform official documentations, we have created this, guys, and using ChatGPT you can see all this code, guys, and ChatGPT has given this all code within 10 below 10 seconds, guys, and this is the power of this ChatGPT. And my suggestion is don't try to use ChatGPT while you are learning, guys. Directly go to Terraform official documentations. You can see these are the Terraform official documentations. Go to Terraform official documentations and try to search for that code and try to create by your own, guys. When you work like this, you can uh, that means it will improve your performance with working with Terraform, guys. And my suggestion is don't try to do that means don't try with ChatGPT and try with the Terraform official documentations, guys. And let's come here and let's go here, and you can see this is the instance we have been created, and this is the security group we have been created, and you can see this is the S3 bucket we are created, guys. And let's destroy this, guys. To destroy this, the command is let's go to VS Code. And to destroy this all, and the command is I will show you. You can give here directly Terraform destroy hyphen hyphen auto hyphen approve. And this is the command to destroy all the resources in Terraform, guys. And you can see now, you can see it was refreshing and it will destroy each and everything. And you can see S3 bucket, it was destroying. And you can see instance, it is in destroying state. Let's come here and let's go to instances. So when I reload this, you can see it is in shutdowning state, guys. You can see it is in shutdowning state. Let's come here and you can see still it is in shutdowning state. So when I come into security groups, when I reload this, it is still showing security groups. Let's wait for some time, guys. And you can see destroy completed resources 3 destroyed. 3 means S3 bucket, EC2 instance, and security groups, guys. And let's go here. Let's reload this. You can see we have only the default security groups, guys. Our custom security groups has been destroyed. And let's reload this. Our instance has been terminated, guys. And let's go to S3 bucket. When I reload this, let's go to buckets. And you can see we don't have even one bucket, guys. Our bucket has been destroyed. So this is how you can use this Terraform, guys. And if you want this code, you can directly see in my GitHub repository. I will paste this all the source code in my GitHub repository, and I will keep this repository URL in my video description, guys. Yes, guys, this is all about this video. And if you want more videos related to cloud and DevOps, please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. And see you in the next video. And bye, guys.